So I made some foam. I just don't know my charger. Sorry, charger. I made some foam slime. Y'all, I made foam slime. Cookie. It's like cookie. You have to do it. I like my foam slime. To be like sticky-ish. I like it to be sticky, but sticky. I like slime sticky. But I'm allowed to selling slime. Or I might just make an Etsy shop so you guys are live in my state. You guys can order from my Etsy shop. I have like a bunch of slimes that I already have. So I'm not gonna collect the slime collection. And I just made this one today. From out of one of my youngest people took it like 5 tons of glue or more, maybe. I gotta go buy another one today at the store. Basically, I got 6 now. And Mr. Bunny made this one. And there's glue and a bunch of foam pieces. Bought some foam pieces and I just put some in a bowl. And I just took the slime. Like some slime, and I bought a bottle of tea slime. It's kind of like a gallon. It's a gallon, and I just took it. Let me see this. I forget. This is Quigley. Yeah, I use Quigley. I just put some foam pieces in a bowl. I was just slime in them and cut all these foam pieces. And I found it. The slime was with this lucky little clear slime with white foam beads. So to keep it light, I added some color to it. So now it's not put like some lip gloss in it to make it sticky. Cause I like it when it's sticky. And it poked better like this, or it was just plain with the light beads in it. It didn't poke, but so when I added the lotion to it and the gloss, it started poking really. It was poking good, but it was not poking as much, and it was not sticking to the table. So like, when I was poking it, and when I was done poking it, just it was getting up like that. And this is like Rice Krispie treats, because I know how Rice Krispie treats really they be sticky to the edge, y'all. And I can roll it still. You see how this? Yeah. And roll it. You see how this is sticky? And then it's sticky to my hands too. Like, if y'all can see what I got, like, let me show y'all. I got like the sticky stuff over here, which I can't see, but because it won't focus on me. But like, come show y'all. No, I'm showing. Yeah. See how this sticky stuff, and I got a foam bead, and then I got a bunch of them on this end. That's because the slime is sticky. And yeah, so just the slime. And let's face it, the slime. And I like this slime so much. If you don't know, I made last slime, what else slime I made? My slime, maybe I should have done a couple of them. I made clear butter slime before, and so cute. And you see how it's sticking out? I didn't make a purple one, but I sold it in my school at this thing. I gave it to my friend. She gave me like $2 to do. I sold it to my friend. She enjoyed it. And look at this. It's so fluffy. I'm selling this slime. I'm selling this. Yeah, how much one for? I'm selling it in a really long container. But and it's kind of sticky, like the foam bead sticks in it, and then you can get it and go. Just sprinkle it. And thank you buy the slime for me. And so thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna make more videos talking about slime and stuff.